In the screen we have the cheese and the radical mu. In Chinese, they have the radical with a chunk in the middle and 4 branches into side. Mu, mu. The radical has 2 meanings. The first meaning is tree, and the second meaning is wood.
Sha.
This is cheese again. We have the scissors. It cuts the cheese with 2 cuts. Then the cheese dies. So we have the new word. Sha, sha. This word means to kill, to murder. And now we're gonna make some compound words come from
sha.
The first vocabulary we have is 自杀. 自杀 means suicide. 自 oneself. 自杀 a person who kills himself. 杀人 murder. We have 人 a person. 杀人 a person who kills others. 他供认了杀人的罪行. He confessed to the murder. 他供认了杀人的罪行. The third vocabulary we have today is 暗杀. 暗杀 assassinate. 暗 the duck. So 暗杀 is someone he hide himself in the dark and kill other. 他被暗杀了. His were assassinated. 他被暗杀了.